is what democracy looks like.
I am here tonight because in this election, there is only one person who I trust with that responsibility. Only one person who I believe is truly qualified to be President of the United States, and that is our friend Hillary Clinton.
Hell no, DNC, we won't vote for Hillary. Bernie, Bernie!
I'm married, my best friend.
There's only one person in this race who will be there, who's always been there for you, and that's Hillary Clinton's life story.
And for my friend Hillary Clinton, I humbly accept my party's nomination to be Vice President of the United States.
You can't afford to stay home just because she might not align with you on every issue. You've got to get in the arena with her, because democracy isn't a spectator sport. America isn't about, yes, he will. It's about, yes, we can. And we're going to carry Hillary to victory this fall because that's what the moment demands.
Ladies and gentlemen, my mother, my hero, and our next president, Hillary Clinton.
And so, my friends, it is with humility, determination, and boundless confidence in America's promise that I accept your nomination.